Baiji, the lost goddess of the Yangtze River. Once hailed as the goddess of the Yangtze River, the Baiji, scientifically known as Lipotes vexillifer, was an enigmatic freshwater dolphin native to the vast Yangtze River of China. This majestic aquatic species, with its unique history and striking appearance, has etched a profound mark on the annals of conservation. The Baiji's story unfolds in the intricate tapestry of the Yangtze River basin, where it once thrived. Historical records indicate that a few individuals were spotted in the Qiantang River, a tributary of the Yangtze, following the Great Flood of 1955. However, their presence was short-lived, as the construction of a hydropower station in 1957 disrupted their habitat, causing them to vanish from the Qiantang. The Baiji was not confined solely to the Yangtze. It also inhabited the Dongjing and Poyang lakes, appendages of the mighty river. These locations, teeming with life and ecological diversity, once echoed with the playful splashes of Baiji. However, by the 1990s, the species had vanished from these water bodies due to a combination of factors. As the years rolled on, the Baiji's range along the Yangtze underwent a disheartening transformation. Their upstream limit, once in the Three Gorges area, receded downstream to near Jingzhou, paralleling a steady decline in their numbers. The reach of these dolphins once stretched as far downstream as Shanghai, yet by the late 1990s, they could not be found downstream of Zhongyan. The story of the Baiji's population decline is a tragic one. Initially estimated at around 400 individuals in the late 1970s, the numbers continued to plummet. By the late 1990s, an exhaustive survey found a maximum count of just 13 individuals. While no definitive time series of counts exists, a consensus emerged that Baiji populations had dwindled to critically low levels, inching the species closer to extinction. The Baiji's troubles were manifold. Entanglement in fishing gear, a consequence of unregulated fishing practices, claimed numerous lives. Rolling hooks with thousands of unbaited hooks and other fishing methods were silent killers, causing extensive harm. Electric fishing, strictly banned but widely practiced, posed a significant threat, sometimes leading to the outright death of Baijis. Vessel strikes, as industrialization and traffic on the Yangtze surged, were another perilous hazard. The Baiji's habitat, marred by water development projects and pollution, underwent drastic changes. Dams, barrages, and habitat degradation disrupted their movements, while pollution from industrial and agricultural sources poisoned their home. Efforts to save the Baiji teetered between in situ conservation and capturing individuals for semi-captive breeding. Though the latter strategy gained traction in the 1980s and 1990s, capturing Baijis proved to be a formidable challenge. Expeditions spanning several months yielded limited results. A solitary captive Baiji, named Chi-Chi, remained as a poignant symbol of their plight until his death in 2002. In 2002, the Baiji faced its darkest hour, when the last documented sighting was supported by photographic evidence. In the years that followed, exhaustive surveys yielded no sign of the species. Their haunting absence deepened concerns about their extinction. While the Baiji's future remains uncertain, conservationists continue their efforts. Rigorous surveys and monitoring, a reinvigorated focus on eliminating threats, and international cooperation remain crucial. The story of the Baiji serves as a poignant reminder of the urgency of protecting our planet's biodiversity, safeguarding not just the Baiji, but the countless other species that share our world.